Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kombucha. First, you'll need to gather your essential ingredients: tea, sugar, water, and a healthy SCOBY. Begin by brewing about 8 cups of strong black or green tea. While it's still hot, stir in 1 cup of sugar until it completely dissolves. This provides the necessary food for your SCOBY. It's crucial to let this sweetened tea cool down to room temperature before proceeding to the next step. Once your tea is cool, gently combine it with 2 cups of starter liquid from a previous batch and your SCOBY. Carefully pour this entire mixture into a clean, 1-gallon glass jar. Make sure to leave some headspace at the top. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth, like a coffee filter or cheesecloth, and secure it with a rubber band. Allow it to ferment for 7 to 14 days at a consistent temperature between 68 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit. After the first fermentation, carefully remove the SCOBY and set aside 2 cups of the fermented tea as starter liquid for your next batch. Now, it's time for the fun part: flavoring. You can add your favorite fruits, fruit juice, or spices directly into the remaining kombucha. Once flavored, pour the mixture into airtight bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Let these bottles ferment for another 2 to 5 days at room temperature to build carbonation. Once your kombucha has reached your desired fizziness, move the bottles to the refrigerator. This will slow down the fermentation process and preserve the flavor. Your delicious homemade kombucha is best enjoyed within 2 to 3 weeks. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Don't forget to start a new batch with your saved SCOBY and starter liquid to keep the kombucha flowing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.